We're going Malaysia.
Oh.
How long is the bus journey?
10 hours.
And what type of bus did you book, Jan?
A 15-seater minivan, because that was the only option.
Yay. First border check done.
I made it. Out of Thailand.
Yeah, that's pretty simple to be fair. Now we got to check in somewhere, wherever our driver's taking us next. But that took all of 1 minute to check out to Thailand.
So we've made it. We've arrived in Georgetown, Malaysia. Stark contrast to where we were staying previously. This place is more like a prison. What do you think?
I'm on the bed. Not pillows or shit show.
Oh no.
Got Jan her own little street art. There you go. Jan little street art. So lots of food here, and also we are right next to all the pubs, because every time Jan books us somewhere we end up in the drinking streets. Every single time. Especially because
this wasn't intentional.
no, this one wasn't, and we're in Malaysia where it's heavily Muslim, so we didn't think there was going to be a lot of drinking.
And they sell a £3 Guinness.
So everywhere there's these metal art installations as well. And what does this one say?
The local Chinese say the rich man who lived on, it looks like Muntree Street, kept their mistresses here, hence the name something Cheng Hang or Lovely.
Found a little cafe. We got bagels. We got cranberry and ham apparently, even though I asked the turkey. And Jana's got salmon. Looks good.
Tree.
The oldest Hindu temple in Georgetown. Michelin guide samosas.
I have a bag full of goods. We just went to a Michelin guide samosa stall and got a chicken samosa.
What do you think?
Oh, it's like curry on the inside.
Curry chick banging. Looks like a little bit spicy. It's good. Georgetown's got an Indian section, and from what we can see, Chinese, as they all emigrated here hundreds of years ago. So then you've got stuff like this. Silk stores, different temples, all bright, colourful, and loads of really good street food. You've got Chinese, Indian, and the original Malaysians here, and also apparently Japanese, because you've got Takeshi's castle everywhere, trying to walk on the pavement. Yeah, Georgetown's got loads of different buildings, all colourful and bright and different ethnicity inspired.
They seem really old buildings. Like, not newly built to look old, to actual old.
But we're still in Asia, so they could be 2 years old.
No, this is 1907.
Yeah, Mr. 1907, that could just be his name.
We've made it to Chujati, which is a combination of houses built on a pier, and they've turned some of them into shops, which is really cute.
And that's the end of it, I think. It's not super large, but it's cool, different, a floating town. The second commission I got done for Jan is a self-portrait. I think they smashed it.
Currently having a break. It is 30 degrees. It's boiling.
I am drenched in sweat where my bum bag is.
Georgetown's really pretty. There's loads of street art, there's loads of quirky shops and buildings and stuff here. The only thing I think I would change about Georgetown is to change the traffic. I would kind of make this a no traffic area or just a bike area. There's loads of cars and it's really hard to walk around.
Well, yeah, everyone parks just in the middle of the road, so you've got to wander around them into traffic, which is fun.
And there's no pavements. Like, you're literally, well, almost dying, falling down a ditch, or you're in the middle of traffic trying to walk around you, so.
It's hard.
Yeah.
We're at the fire station.
Because I've seen it on the internet, in all honesty, and it looked quite cool.
That's the only reason we're here, because you saw it on the internet. Oh, this is actually quite cool. different uniforms. Oh, apparently this is a British fireman uniform. I don't think we use that one anymore. I'm pretty sure it is a working fire station as people in their uniform doing stuff.
The sign outside says it's been out of commission since 1964, but there was definitely uniformed people in there.
They could just be role playing, who knows. We got more street articles all here, and guys smashing coconuts. Work of art. Work of art. I'm on by you. There is just temples absolutely everywhere, all through here. It is also the day of the races back home, Ascot, which all the boys are going to. So due to FOMO, we now have a batch of bets on, and if it's illegal to bet in Malaysia, then we don't have bets on. Officer. I have filmed many of these, which you've probably already seen. It's really overwhelming. Like Thai, we knew Thai food before coming. Vietnamese food we knew before coming. Cambodia was kind of a mix of stuff, and we have no clue what Malaysian food is, so we're ordering. We have no clue what we're gonna get.
I think, well, we've gone for Chinese.
Yeah. What you got, Jan?
Pho, broth, dumpling noodles, salmon.
Just got some kind of ice kagang special.
No idea.
Ice cream, banana, papaya. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? Sweet corn. Got like bits of jelly and stuff in there. And it was £1.50, so should be good. Well, a lot of fruit for that anyway.
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Oh, red beans.
Yeah. No idea. No idea. Here goes nothing. Literally, it's like savoury and sweet. I just had the ice. Strawberry flavoured ice. Red beans. I got a salted peanut in my mouth. I don't know what's going on.
So you can see more now. You got peanuts, all our red beans, all our sweet corn. Sweet corn does not go with any of this, but it's fucking awful. What do we think overall?
Like a 2.
Yeah, very low. The ice cream's good though. So, and it's £1.50, so the fruit and ice cream probably worth it.
It's just so confusing.
Yeah.
I don't even know what, like there's 2 different flavours of jellies. There's a pink and a black jelly. Have we just randomly fallen into a chocolate factory and museum? Yes, yeah.
Check this bad boy out. Little chocolate phone. Barrels have expanded their market. I heard this one went down an absolute treat in America. Barrels Chocolate Museum and the Barrels Chocolate Bar.
We just bought a milk chocolate bar to try it.
How is it?
Yeah, actually really good chocolate.
Right.
It's not dairy milk, but it's nice.
It's probably the best we've had in Asia. Asian chocolate. It's not it, but that one's strong. But that's a chocolate factory chocolate. And things were spending in there besides this one bar. That was cheap, that's where we have it.
50 pence.
50p. Everything else was like £5, £6. So I didn't go for that one.